Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna review Optima's first laser gaming projector, the GT1090HDR. Hope you have already watched its unboxing video. If you haven't watched the unboxing and first impressions, check it out. I've linked it in the descriptions below. From my first experience, I felt that this projector is meant for home theaters and is the best for gamers. But keep in mind that it's priced in the upper category. Considering the replacement cost of lamp, which is around $150 and that's not cheap, I believe our initial cost of this model can be tallied. I would recommend anyone who's looking for a gaming projector to go for it without a second thought. As the light source is laser, Optima offers a lifespan of 30,000 hours and 4,200 lumens. As you can see, I've mounted the projector on the ceiling to project on the wall, which I painted grey, getting an image of 123 inches with a distance of 1.36 meters. Soon I'll upgrade it with dedicated projector screen for the full enhanced view. Let's see what Optima offers in this projector and my first impression. If you guys like videos like this and reviews, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Behind the projector, there are two HDMI inputs. One of them is HDMI 2.0B for 4K input and the other one is 1.4A. We also have VGA in and out, two 3.5mm for audio, again for in and out, along with 3.5mm mic input, which would be perfect for business purposes, plus a composite video in, a USB power only port for a streaming stick, RJ45 Ethernet for automation services, RS232 control, micro USB for service, and 3D sync in case you want to use other types of 3D glasses than DLP 3D ones. The GT1090HDR's short throw lens has a 0.5 to 1 throw ratio, needing less than 4 feet to throw a 100-inch diagonal image. The projector lens needs to be a few inches below the screen for proper placement. At the lens, there is a focus ring lever for adjusting the image focus. You should place your projector correctly as there isn't any optical zoom capabilities and no digital adjustment to the video. But there is a 0.8 to 2 times digital zoom, also digital horizontal and vertical image shift, which is plus or minus 30 degrees, and auto keystone correction. I did my throw distance calculation using Projector Centra's website. As I already mentioned, GT1090HDR uses Optima's DuraCore laser technology, which offers a lifespan of 20,000 hours in normal mode and up to 30,000 hours in eco mode. It comes with IPX5 rating, meaning that the optics are protected from dust and free reliable. The laser produces 4,200 ANSI lumens, which is bright enough for daylight viewing, so no need to worry about ambient lights in the room. This video shows the image with lights turned on and turned off. What I felt is that the projector is capable of producing bright images for viewing in the daylight. This model has 4-segment RGBY color 0.65-inch DLP chip and 300,000 to 1 contrast ratio. Optima GT1090HDR supports HDR10 and HLG high dynamic range. It is capable of reproducing the REC 709 color gamut, which is the international HD TV standard to guarantee accurate reproduction of cinematic color exactly as the movie creators intended. Resolution of projector is Full HD, which supports 4K input. One of the best features of the laser light source is that the projector turns on quickly during our tests. During our test, it was 11 seconds from button press to the Optima splash screen and under 30 seconds until it's synced with a 4K source. And it also turns off in seconds and can be turned on again just a few seconds later, where a lamp model needs minutes to cool down before turning on again. Now, I turned off the projector and now I'm turning it on. For gamers, the input lag is low, which is 16.4 ms with the enhanced game mode enabled. This is good enough that gamers won't find any input lag. This projector has 120Hz refresh support at 1080p. That's the reason I said earlier that gamers can go for it without a second thought. Efficient cooling keeps fan noise to a quiet 32 dB if you're not using high altitude mode. You can hear the fan noise, which seems to be subtle and won't affect the theater experience you're looking for. I recorded this video with the air conditioner in this room turned off for an accurate observation. The backlit remote has many buttons of similar sizes, but could use some improvement because some of the buttons are not properly placed for easy use. The backlight is also very bright on first press and fades out after a few seconds, as you can see. The remote has a laser pointer, which is an added point for a home theater projector. Maybe it might be useful for some people. Here is the menu. It has 8 different display modes, which are presentation, bright, cinema, game, sRGB, decom sim, user, and one each for HDR10 and HLG. Those will be enabled with an appropriate signal. Projector automatically changes display mode to HDR when it detects the signal. There are 4 HDR picture mode settings: bright, standard, film, and detail. I found HDR to be enjoyable. Now let's compare the pros and cons. Pros. On the plus side, we have laser light source with 30,000 hours of lifespan, a low input lag of 16 ms, which is awesome for gamers, a high 120Hz refresh rate, again a plus for gamers, also a high ANSI lumen output of 4200, that would be handy for daylight viewing. On the flip side, my only complaint is the remote design, which definitely needs improvement. Before we wrap up, I'd like to point out that I'm impressed with the projector even though my main purpose is not gaming. I like the way the projector produces the images, especially for movies. Also, I hope the projector is as durable as Optoma claims. For a short throw gaming projector under $1,399 US, the Optoma 1090 HDR is worth the buy and I would totally recommend it. Thanks guys for watching the video. Please hit the like button if you liked it and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.